I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by placing the dock on a stable surface and removing any case from the console. This prevents fit and heat issues. Next, plug the official USB-C PD adapter into the dock and into power. Why? Because sufficient wattage prevents display glitching. Then attach an HDMI cable from the dock to your TV and pick the TV's matching input. Once done, make sure the Switch 2 has at least 10% battery to allow a smooth handoff to docked mode. You now slide the console into the dock with the screen facing you and the USB-C port aligned. Press gently until it seats to avoid bending pins. Watch the TV for the home screen. If it doesn't appear, try reseating the HDMI or toggling TV input because signal handshakes can fail. If you prefer controllers, connect them through the console's controllers menu. This lets you avoid pairing delays and ensures button mapping matches docked mode. You finish by adjusting display settings in System Settings. Choose the resolution and HDR mode that your TV prefers so colors and motion look correct. If there's no signal, swap HDMI cables or try another TV HDMI port. Sometimes cables fail or ports disable. Finally, if audio/video stutters, power cycle the dock by unplugging the adapter for 10 seconds and then reconnecting. This clears the dock's internal state and often resolves handshake or firmware hiccups.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.